Okay, so I'm gonna build my friend a computer, ignore Minecraft in the background, but, so this is the build he came up with. It's got 3060, 50, 500, which I'm pretty sure is pretty good. Yeah, it seems pretty good, but he needs a monitor in his thing, so I'm gonna just remake the build for a sec. Has been watching my videos, the 990 is better because the 980 costs $219. If I change it to a 990, so we're looking at the 2TB version, right? Yeah, 219, 990, 4TB, 2TB. Oh, yeah, 169. Video card, he went with 3060, I think. Yeah, 3060. But we're gonna go with a 4060 as that just costs slightly more. It was 4060. 3060 costs 285. We can cut costs in other places, definitely. I really like Gigabyte. So I'm probably gonna go with that. It's got more reviews, better. It seems to be better. 5 stars. So we need an operating system, which we're just going to do Windows 11 off of Keys fan. Windows 11. And it should just be, yeah, Windows 11 at home. 20 bucks. Okay. Do something like that. But we need a monitor, and I'm not sure. So, let's look at this motherboard. That's what I'm curious about. Good, decent cooling. I'm not sure if it's backplate, though. Alright, so... Ooh! BIOS flashing, okay. We don't need BIOS flashing. DDR4... Seems pretty good. Doesn't have built-in Wi-Fi, though. Where's bottleneck calculator? 5500 and a 4060. Let's just check this out. It should be fine, right? It's fine. All right, let's see what I have. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's fine, though. He's gonna use Wi-Fi, so he can't be using this motherboard here. He can, but I'm not sure if he's gonna be doing memory-intensive programs. We've already cut costs. 948, 964. Man, we've already cut costs. Could just send him back this. Let's go with a different motherboard, I think. Asus Wi-Fi. Micro ATX. We could go Micro ATX. That would cut a lot of costs. There should be a Wi-Fi thing somewhere, right? SLI Crossfire. No one's cared about SLI. Okay. Onboard Ethernet. No. Yeah. Okay. We want ATX. Let's go ATX for now. An Asus TUF4. I was about to say, so it does have Wi-Fi 2 and then 4, and then this seems to be another one. AM4, that's what we need. Could go AM5. How much is the build, actually? $1,000. Probably ask AI later just to B550. Ooh, and it has BIOS. I think this is the one we're gonna go with. Honestly, it's a bit more expensive, but what are we looking like with price? 978, 964. We can still cut costs a little bit. I guess I'll just go with the Team Group RAM. Team Group 32 gigabytes. This seems fine for now, but I gotta go. IPS, TNVA. Yeah, so there's only IPS, TNVA. We don't want TN though. VA and IPS. Okay. Good YouTube video. Said maximum of 200. Okay. Well. We have the Ryzen 5 5500 at 3.6 GHz, the Peerless Assassin with ARGB at like 1550 RPM, the Asus TUF B550 with Wi-Fi, Team Group RAM with RGB, a 990 Pro, a Gigabyte 4060, a Montech ATX tower, 750 watts of Corsair power, and a Samsung monitor. We're also going to go with Windows 11. I'm not sure if I said that, but yeah.